Hey there, welcome to day 1596 of What's She Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Today we're talking about relationships, the S in our SOAP framework for the annual challenge. And that's our story or our situation. What's our current story and situation? What's our desired story or situation? And that's the first step in the SOAP framework, the story, the S, the four-step process we use to automatically guarantee we're going to have better results after any given change or challenge than if we didn't have a framework that we were following. And it means the best result for us given the information, right? We're going to always pick and choose and do the best thing for us at the time. Doesn't mean it would be the best thing for us in the past or the best thing of us in the future. It's the best thing right now, because right now is the only time we can impact and affect. So today we're talking about our story, our current story or situation. We looked at all the different types of relationships, and I realized I had not covered friends or situational. And we'll do situational at the end of this year. We'll find a time to talk about situational with respect to all the different areas and aspects of our life, not just with respect to relationships. So I decided I would work on one specific friendship, where it is now, my story about where it is now versus where I want it to be. And of all the areas, I've covered all of them except sexual, and I'm not touching sexual relationships with a 10-foot pole. Everybody's on their own when it comes to that, and I don't care about anybody's relationships with respect to that. It's up to you what you want and how you want to live your life. So our idiom, our expression for supersize your business today was a friend in need is a friend indeed. And of course, Winnie the Pooh and Eeyore came to mind because Eeyore was always losing his tail and needed Winnie the Pooh and company to save him and reattach his tail in the Winnie the Pooh stories. So that to me is a good example of a friend in need. And Winnie the Pooh is a friend indeed because he was always, although I think Winnie was a girl, she was always coming to the rescue. I always thought Winnie the Pooh was a boy, but I believe that I learned recently that she was a she. So anyway, whatever the gender or gender identity of Winnie the Pooh, it doesn't matter, was always a friend to Eeyore and all the other little friends in the 100-acre woods. So today we talked about how does this come into play with respect to building and growing and supersizing our business. Well, of course, people do business with people they like. If we are solving problems and helping people, they will be attracted to our business because we're being not only a friend, but we also want to build relationships with the people that we serve, right? Because that's how we know more of what they need and can continue to help and serve them. Now, in business, people pay us to give them solutions, but they often become our friends, right? So working on the SOAP framework, working with respect to friendship, working on Supersize Your Business group and a bunch of other projects. I'm going to cut it short today because I have a gazillion things to do. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow. Have an awesome day and go be a friend. Be a friend to somebody in need. Or if you're in need, let a friend help you. Sometimes all we have to do is ask. Sometimes all we have to do is accept help when it's offered. And I know for some of us, that's very hard to do. All right, have a great day, and I will be with you tomorrow.